So this week's trick of the week is going to be another rejection trick. It looks like this. And for those who don't know, I'm trying to create a community where everyone's going to try to advance yoyoing, use new combos, learn new tricks, help teach each other new combos and tricks. So what I'd like you guys to do is try to figure out ways you can combo that trick into other tricks to make a whole new original combo. Like that. And our good example would be doing last week's trick of the week. Get into this. And from there you can create new combos, do new tricks. That'd be exactly like what I'm doing on here, but the general idea to be it, right? And what I think would be very cool, if you guys join my Discord, you'll be able to post your attempts on it as well. What you could also do is tag on Instagram, Sleepers Trick of the Week number 3, and from there I'll be able to see your submissions, and also onto the Yo-Yo Expert forum where I'm also posting this video on as well. And so the one that I like the most, I want to make a cool tutorial for. I think that'd be a really cool way to like show me your trick that I've taught you, and then you can then teach me a new trick to then teach everyone else. Alright, onto the tutorial. If you guys like that video, I have a whole bunch more tutorials as well that you guys can watch to learn all the tricks. As well as if you want to help support the channel as well, I do have a Ko-Fi on there, so if you want to become a monthly supporter, helps me a lot. But also checking out my new yo-yo. Really nice, fast, speedy, light yo-yo. Helps me do all my tricks. I do it all my tutorials, and it really helps a lot. So I have a 1-year-old, so trying to get time to make videos is non-existent. Very, very little of the time. So everyone supports me by getting the yo-yos and all that. Really helps a lot, helps me get daycare for little men, helps me make more time to make more tutorials. So if you want to help out, greatly appreciate it, and have a good one.